Give me 2 minutes and I'll show you how to make your first sale online in the next 48 hours or less. And if you stick to the end, I have something pretty cool for you guys. But first, let me show you the reason why most people struggle to make their first sale online. So this is what most people will teach you when you're starting out online. They say send traffic to your offer, people will buy it. And I want to tell you that only 2%, about 2% of people will buy if you set it up like this, right? Which causes a lot of people to struggle and fail online. And the reason why that is important is because your traffic doesn't want to buy from you simply because they don't know you and they don't trust you. So how do we build trust? What I do is I send them to a page that allows me to give them something valuable that they can use right now to get them started on solving their biggest problem, right? And then, so I call that a capture system, right? Then what I do is I send them to the thing that I was going to sell. The most important thing about the capture system for us is not that it will send them to something that they can buy, though. The most important thing is that it allows us to contact them later, right? That is where we make our money, because we can contact them every day, week, or month forever until they get off of our list, right? Now, why is that important? Well, because most businesses would not survive today, online or offline, if they couldn't get you back into the store to make multiple purchases. Okay, now this is the formula I use to sell products online. And if you want a step-by-step system, I'll give you my formula. Okay, I call it Starter's Formula. And in Starter's Formula, I go over how you can start your first residual income business online from scratch. Okay, I'm also going to show you how to build a capture system so that you can use what I just showed you. And I'm also going to give you a way to get started fast so that you can make your first sale within 48 hours or less. Okay? And to top it all off, I'm going to give you something that's even better, right? So you're going to want to automate your free traffic growth, and I'll share with you how to do that. All right? So I want to tell you, I'm kind of giving you this as a bribe because I plan on selling this thing for $297, okay? I decided against that because I need testimonials, and that's where you come in, right? So if you are serious about getting started online and making your first sale online, you actually are getting something that I am willing to give to you, even though I was going to charge about $300 for it. I'm going to give it to you simply because I ask you to give me a testimonial, okay? So if you're serious and you want to make your first sale online within the next 48 hours, click the link either right there, right? Or it should be maybe underneath this video, and you can get started today. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you guys on the inside.